case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1977, the Supreme Court of the United States presided over a significant case known as Town of Lockport v. Citizens for community action at the local level, Inc. This case presented the Supreme Court with a delicate conundrum pertaining to the democratic principle of equal voting rights, and how to reconcile this with regional differences in interests and priorities. At the heart of the contention was a New York law mandating a dual majority for approval of a new county charter. The law insisted that both a majority of city residents and a majority of non-city residents must vote in favor of the charter for it to be ratified. This dual majority requirement came under scrutiny after an attempt to introduce a new charter for Niagara County in November 1972. The proposed charter received approval from city voters but was rejected by those in the countryside, thus blocking its adoption despite majority endorsement by the county's overall electorate. The ensuing lawsuit disputed whether this dual majority condition correctly recognized the distinct interests between city and non-city voters, or whether it transgressed upon the cherished one man, one vote principle. In a pivotal twist, the Supreme Court overturned the district court's decision that had deemed the law in conflict with the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment. The Supreme Court asserted that the law did not violate the Equal Protection Clause. The court defended its decision by asserting that all state and federal laws are inherently presumed constitutional. The judges argued that New York's dual majority requirement was, in fact, a pragmatic classification, given the distinct interests harbored by city-dwelling constituents compared to those living outside the cities. The court underscored this divide as a valid reason for the law's existence, and upheld its constitutionality, thus crafting a key precedent for future cases involving regional voting disparities.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.